Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python with Rajkumar. Friends, today I will be discuss pass statement in Python. Pass is a null statement that does nothing. It is used as a placeholder for future codes. Suppose first code is for I in range 5, pass, print some important work. Output will be some important work. Let's practice questions. Write a program to find the sum of the first n numbers using while for loops. N is equal to 5 for I in range n plus 1. Print I. Output will be print 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, write a program to find the factorial of first n numbers using for loops. Friends, n is equal to 5, factorials is equal to factorials I equal to 1, while 0 is less than equal to n, fact plus equal to 1, I plus 1, print functions and sums. Output will be 4 factorials. 4 factorials means like 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Output will be correct or not, check through the system. But next topic is functions and recursions in Pythons. Functions and recursions. So functions is a block of a statement that perform a specific task. Definitions में दिया हुआ है define, जो हम लोग करेंगे functions को. functions name, parameter 1 and parameter 2. function definition, ये क्या है हमारा function definition. has some work, return values. functions name, argument 1, argument 2. This is a function call defined as the sum of the a comma b. S is equal to a plus b, return 5. Print sum 2 comma 3. Suppose input parameters, then process, then output. Functions in Python divided into mainly two types. First one is built-in functions. Second, user-defined function. Built-in function, print, length, type, range. User-defined functions, this is a second part of the function. First one is built-in function, second is user-defined function. Friends, previous, let's practice questions. Range and sum of the first n numbers using for loop or while loop. I check just one by one. For I in range 5, pass, print some important work. Output will be some important work. Next, find some n numbers. N is equal to 5 for I in range n plus 1, print I. Output will be 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you try factorial n numbers in Python, same codes, You try to check output will be correct or not. Thank you for watching Python with Rajkumar. Thank you for all. Have a nice day.